G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is January 5th, 2023. This is the spot gold price update. As you can see here on the daily chart, the price, the CCI 1500 is broken through its moving average, and the moving average is starting to turn up. So that's a big positive for the gold price going further into long positions. You can see here it's broken out of this downward trend which has been there for a number of months now, since the start of 2022. For those new to the channel, I just want to introduce the CCI 1500 and a stochastic on this long-term stochastic 100-200. You can see here since 2019 there was a bit of a bull market for gold up until it broke through shortly there in March 2020, and then it finally broke through and started a decline for the CCI 1500 in September 2020. Now you'll notice the price did go down, then sort of recovered a bit, and it kept going down and recovered again with higher highs there. So had you been caught with long positions, it would have given you some opportunity. Had you averaged down properly, it would have given you some opportunities to get out of the trade profitably with those spikes in the share price, even though the CCI was showing to go short. So it gave you some warning, if you like, over the 2021 period. So again, reference the videos in the playlist at the end of this video to get a better understanding how to trade using the average down approach. We don't use stop losses. So going back to gold and what it's doing in the short term, it's broken up through its CCI moving average, which is a positive in terms of going long. The stochastic 100-200 is also broken up through the oversold area. You'll notice the 4-hour price chart is in this channel, and it's been appreciating since November, or actually longer, probably since October this year. It's going in that upward trajectory, and that's in alignment with this the CCI 1500 and also the stochastic, where it's finally broken and reached its overbought territory. So we may see a bit of a retracement on the 4-hour as well as the hourly. Now you'll notice the hourly, the price chart is also in this channel in an upward movement, and it's broken to the upside of that channel. The stochastic has sort of bounced between the overbought and the midpoint for some time now, but you'll notice the CCI 1500 is diverging from the price chart. That's a negative a negative divergence. So even though the price is appreciating, the CCI is going in a more southerly direction. So basically what that means is you can expect maybe some weakness in the gold price in the short term, although longer term that was a key pivot point down there. There was a triple bottom on the daily, and there's no sign of it reaching a peak at the moment. As soon as I see that sign, any pivot points, I'll let you know. But at the moment, hold longs, but you may want to sell out and gain some profits if you see that price, and especially if you see that price coming back and especially breaking down below that channel. So just keep an eye on that, see how it goes in the coming days and weeks. As I said earlier, refer to the playlist at the end of this video to get a better understanding how to trade the average down approach without using stop losses. During the weekly market updates, I mention the strategies that I use and make recommendations on to track the potential direction of the trends when applying your strategy. Well, to pick a strategy you can work with, go to my homepage, click on the playlists, then click on the strategy playlist, and then browse through and choose a strategy that works for you. And that way you can trade profitably and do it without too much risk, as long as you follow the strategy itself and the market direction. Here are some of my investing rules: buy proven blue chip stocks, buy stocks which pay dividends, don't short positions, go long only. And the reason for that is you want to receive those dividends when they're paid, and don't trade on news. Price is already factored in the share price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button, and click the notification bell to get all updates. Market updates will be posted on Mondays and Thursdays each week. If you want to support the channel further, then subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing, and speak to you in the next video.